Validating base number. I am trying to make a program that checks a positive integer number against a base value, and returns true if all digits of the number are strictly less than base, and false otherwise. Some of the outputs I have achieved are: these are definitely correct, and I've made this code to be sure of it. The issue is that I'm not sure if I'm approaching it the best way, as I want to find a much more efficient way to evaluate to validate base n numbers. Here it is. Is there a much easier way to do this? I feel that there is a much more obvious method to doing this, but I can't figure it out.
One option is
Here is one way.
Try to convert it and see if it fails. Demo.
An alternative way is to let Python do the work for you. Convert the number to a string, then try to convert it back to an integer using the specified base. Python will throw a value error if any digit equals or exceeds the base. This works with negative integers as well as positive ones, which the answer strictly comparing individual digits will not.